So with the ovary, what you're looking at is a cross section of the outermost region of the ovaries. And in the outermost region of the ovaries, you will see follicles that are clustered together, and these follicles are going to be at different stages of development. All you're looking for is one follicle that looks like this, which is an oocyte, and thecal cells wrapped around it. And those are going to be relatively small. And those are going to be the primary follicles. Now, a tertiary follicle or a Graafian follicle, which is the same thing, is going to have the oocyte, and then it's going to have a very large cavity wrapped around it, and that cavity is going to be filled with fluid. And that fluid is known as the antrum. So with respect to the follicle, the larger the antrum, the more mature the follicle is. Does that make sense? Okay? So what you're looking for is to be able to differentiate between a primary follicle, which has no antrum around it, and a Graafian follicle, which has the oocyte and the antrum. Okay? And here's another picture of what a tertiary or a Graafian follicle can look like. Here's the oocyte, and here is the antrum. Okay? Now the antrum in some of you guys' slide might look like an empty space. Don't be alarmed, because that's just a fluid-filled cavity. Okay? So be able to differentiate between a primary follicle and a Graafian follicle. Yes? Okay, let's see if you could do that. Let's take a look at what you guys got.